cruise official, day 2 of the cruise, going to Castaway Cay for today. Gonna go get us some breakfast before we go. Oh, a really good sense of mirrors. Wow, you look trash even on 1080. Actually, you can't even see yourself. Now you can.
I'm gonna have to. Is this a great island or what?
Oh, I know, man. I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
Look at those quality benches.
Where?
Those are some quality benches. Those quality showers right there too, right next to it. Man.
Where? Oh, right there.
Bring it.
I like these
Bring
cups. Look.
Bring it.
You can't.
Oh, weak.
What does this look like? Okay, Carson forgot his swim trunks. Well, he didn't forget them. They don't fit him anymore. So, he got these. Can you see them? They have anchors on them. They're like mint green color.
Yup.
They're awesome.
Got to fit.
He got them in the Bohemian area. So, they're swim trunks from the Bahamas. Pretty cool, huh, Carson?
Respect the drip.
What?
Respect the drip.
Respect the drip? Not sure what that means, but okay.
We just got done snorkeling here at Castaway Cay. We got a lot of great videos on the GoPro for you guys to check out. So we're gonna eat some lunch, and while we're eating some lunch, while we're chilling out, you guys check it out. Oh.
Ouch.
Mommy, cold?
It's freezing cold.
It's really nice though. Nice day. Oh, sweet. Y'all get the first look before we go under. See what it looks like underneath, if there's anything. Don't know if there's anything under there, but. Now we're getting somewhere. Now it's fun to video.
Yeah, guys.
It wasn't video forever. I think it just took a bunch of time lapse videos. But we're gonna come out here, see if we can see anything. Dad's vacation mood all week.
He likes being bullied.
He does. Bully him, Carson. Anyways, we just made it back from Castaway Cay from a whole day. Did some snorkeling, did some eating. We went to the adult only beach. So you guys go check that out real quick. Out here at Disney's private island for adults only. It is super sweet, super nice. The water is insanely clear. Very clear, very nice. We got some shots. Don't know how good it took on the GoPro. We're just gonna do some more looking here, and then it'll be time to be on the boat. It is our last full day with Disney. we have finally made it back into the room. Let's step here. No, it's not. Anyways, we finally made it back into the room. We're gonna get ready so we can go to the last show for the week, and so we can go eat some dinner because we're all hungry. Surprisingly, it doesn't look like I sunburned, so that's good. I think Mom might have got a little bit red, but I don't look too red, I don't think.
Not too bad, I put sunscreen on.
We did pretty good. And then tomorrow we go home. It is our flying home day. Oh.
Ooh, what do we got?
Cool. What is that?
Luggage tags looks like.
Oh yeah, we're goofy.
A goofy.
Carson, shut up. I'm tired of you ruining my videos with that noise that you make every day.
Look for your bag in the orange goofy zone.
Shut up. Those are cool though. Got those from our people that clean the room every day.
Look how nice.
Yesterday was a monkey that was hanging right there. Don't know if I showed you guys that last night, but if you've seen it twice now.
Look how nice our bed makes. They made our bed and made up the couch bed, cleaned the room. Wish they'd come home with us and do all that.
I wish they'd pack our stuff for tonight.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Bye-bye Port Canaveral.
Port Canaveral?
I mean, bye-bye Castaway Cay. Key. It's been a long day.
Oh, look, they're all bowing.
That's cool. Until our next adventure, we will see you guys next time when we come to Castaway Cay. We're gonna go to dinner for tonight. It's not completely over. Our vacation is not completely over. We still have a show tonight that they don't want any videography. Somebody actually got in trouble last night for. So we won't show you any video out of respect because they don't like it. But we have dinner tonight as well. And then there is another party tonight.
Turn around
Late tonight, firework park. So we will go to that, but we're going to show you some little bit of scenery here and show you us leaving Castaway Cay. I almost said K. We got our last tout animal for the night. It was a snake and some more chocolate. And then of course we went down there and we got some stuff from Mom's friends that she picked up for the trip so that way she could bring back to them. And we're just gonna rest for the rest of the night. It is the last and final day of the cruise ship. It is debarkation day. And we are fixing to leave to get on the bus to go out to the airport. We have a 6-hour wait in the airport before we can even go home. So it is gonna be a very long day. But it has been super fun on vacation. It's been super fun videoing for you. And we're technically not over with vacation yet because we haven't made it home, but we are nearing the very end of our stretch. We're at the airport in Orlando, having to wait 6 hours for the actual airplane, but this is pretty much the end of our journey. There's nothing really exciting but going home. So, I mean, that's pretty cool, I guess, but I've also got to do some filming for talking about some of the bad things that happened on the cruise, some things that got lost, some other things that happened. So I'm going to do some filming for that. You guys may have already seen that in the video, because I think I'm going to insert that a whole lot sooner than this, but if I don't, then you'll see it after this. But thank you guys so much for watching. It was so much fun to video, it was so much fun to take pictures. What?
I just thought I'd smile.
It was so much fun to video, so much fun to take pictures, and I had an absolute blast. I thought it was fun. I enjoyed it. Thank you guys again, and until next time, guys. Get out of my room! I'm playing Minecraft! Whoa! He's gonna come back in and watch. He's gonna come back in. I thought you were gonna come back in, dude. Don't say that!
I don't care.
Yeah, you do care.
Okay.
You do, though.
You just say something like cares?
Kinda does, though.
No, it doesn't.
Lots of crazy things that happened on the cruise, on the whole vacation. A lot of it you guys already saw, but the biggest thing that I did not tell you guys about, I think it was on my Snapchat, I'm not very sure, but the one thing I did not tell you guys about, the most important thing, is I lost over $200 worth of merchandise on this trip. So what happened was, we were flying out to Orlando, and We flew out on a Sunday. No, we flew out on a Friday. I don't know what day we flew out. Friday or Saturday. Anyway, it's not important. We flew out and we were on this plane. So we had to go from Oklahoma to Dallas, like Dallas Love Field in Texas. And then we had to go from there, wait for another plane so that way we could fly from there all the way to Florida. And so we got on the first plane. We went from Oklahoma to Dallas. Everything went fine. Nothing went wrong. On the second plane, when we went from Dallas to Orlando, that is where things took a turn. So I was ready to go. I had everything set up. I was going to listen to some music on the way to Orlando. I got my headphones in. I had the Apple AirPods, and then I had like a black rubber case around them. But I had those set up. I was ready to go. I was listening to music, had them in my ear. We sat on the plane. I put the case in the back of the seat. I put that in the back of the seat. I put my computer in the back of the seat. And I believe at one time I had my phone in there. So we flew all the way out to Florida. We got to Florida, got off the plane. I was putting stuff back in my bag. I got off the plane. We went from the airport, and then we went from the airport all the way, so the Disney bus took us to the Disney resort. So we went all the way from the airport to the Disney resort. On the way to the resort, they said, we have your bags ready, or we have everything ready, like you can just go straight to your room. So we were on the bus, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want to listen to music again. I checked in my bag, and I like couldn't find my AirPods in the front case they usually are, or the front zipper. And so I was like, you know, I put a lot of stuff up. I probably just put them in another spot in my bag. And so I didn't look very hard on the bus because it was like so compact, and it was hard to just kind of open up the bag. And so I looked around where I was on the floor. I did not see them. And I told my parents about it, and they were like, well, maybe they're just in your bag in another compartment. So we get out to the hotel or the resort. We go into our hotel room. I start pulling things out of my bag. I check. Literally not there. And so I know that I left them on the plane on the back of the seat. So we filled out a little like issued state deal saying lost and found, saying, hey, I lost my AirPods. If you found them, please return them. But long story short, guys, I just lost AirPods on that trip. So that was, I had just bought them like a month ago. So it was literally like $200 I had just threw down the drain basically. But I did get some new headphones. I got the Aftershocks. They are absolutely amazing. Like, they're the best headphones. Like, they're literally better than the Apple. We were out here taking Carson to the doctor, and you guys gotta check this out. Look at these people that their mirror is broken, I guess, and they literally put a little mirror that you use just for your hand, a handheld mirror. They put one on their door. Like, welcome back to Oklahoma. We are no longer in Florida, people. It is nice to be home.
It is redneck country.
It is redneck country. Nice to be home. I mean, I don't even really have words for that, honestly. Like,
Got parked weird over there.
that blows my mind. He really is. He's right in the middle of the line.
Oh my goodness.
There's two people around here that have no idea what they're doing.